Welcome to today's C.R.E lesson. We are going to explain the hypocritical religious practices of the Israelites during the time of Prophet Amos. Number one, there was insincere worship. The Israelites engaged in a lot of religious rites at the Temple of Bethel, which were done in accordance with the covenant way of life. But the people who took part were unjust, corrupt, and always oppressed the poor. That's why we are saying that they had insincere worship. Number two, there was offering of the empty sacrifices. The Israelites used to bring sacrifices and tithes to Bethel and Gilgal, which were referred to as empty. This is because God was interested in a sincere worship. There was also syncretism. The Israelites worshipped Yahweh alongside other gods who had been introduced to them by foreigners. So, worshipping both sides, that was now syncretism. There was also idolatry. The Israelites worshipped idol gods of the Canaanites and other pagan gods. Number five, worshippers went to holy places to satisfy their own desires rather than a pleasing God. Another hypocritical religious practice of the Israelites during the time of Prophet Amos is that worshippers were making offerings as a show-off, not out of love for God. And at number seven, they stole from the poor. And after stealing from the poor, they offered to God. This was hypocritical. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.